This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like Gbpjpy software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for Gbpjpy, and as usual, I'll start off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame or the hourly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has started to form this sort of double bottom pattern to the downside after price got to this resistance area around the 168.5 area, and then price initially tried to push down, but there were a lot of buyers here who rejected price to the top, and then price again started pushing back down to the downside. Now price has settled around this support area here, the 1.6 or the 162.5 area, and we can see that price has formed sort of a rejection around that area as well, and that's what we can see on the weekly time frame. Now if we get to the daily time frame, we can see that as well. We can see the general double top pattern that we saw, and then on a smaller double top pattern forming as well, and you know, price continued to the downside, got to this support area here around the 162.5 area that I mentioned, and price couldn't break below and close below that area. Rather, price rejected off that area and started moving to the top. And that's what we can see currently. So based on this, one of two things can happen: either price continues this rejection again to the top, or price breaks this support level again and then continue to the bottom to the downside, completing this double top pattern. So that area, the 162.5 area, becomes very key for us, and that's what we'll be looking at in the coming week. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that is where the rejection happened, just around here, and then price continued moving to the top. So now what I would say is what I'm expecting is for price to continue to the next significant resistance area. So there are two areas. That's one at this 164 area here, and the other one at the 164.8 area, and this is what I'm expecting price to actually get to. So I'm expecting price to retrace all the way to this area here, right? And then when price gets here, then we would know whether or not price would reject off this area, or if price would break it and move further to the top. So if price rejects this area here, then we'll be looking for a sell trade around that 164.8 area all the way to the downside. And if price doesn't reject but continues and breaks that resistance area around the 164.8 area, then we'll be expecting to take our buy trade all the way to the 166.7 area, just around there, right? So this is where we'll be looking to take our profit if price does break this resistance area. So again, this area here now becomes key for us. Okay, so some people may want to trade this market. For me, I wouldn't be trading Gbpjpy for the time being. I would wait until price gets to this 164.7 area, and then I'll see how price reacts to that area before I trade. So if price breaks it to the top, then I'll take my buy trade, and if price gives us a bearish signal, then I'll take my sell trade along that level. Also, the reason why that area is key for me as well is if you use the Fibonacci retracement, okay, from the swing high here to the swing low, we can see that that area falls at the 61.8% Fibonacci level. So that is why that area is key for me, and that's why I will be patient with this trade and wait for price to get there. Okay, and the reason why I like trading Fibonacci is because it works. Like when you look at price retracements, price normally would retrace to those sort of levels before making any sort of reaction. For example, if you see this swing high here and then this swing low, we can see that this rejection here happened around the 61.8% as well, and then price continues all the way to the downside. So that's what I'm expecting to see with this trade as well. Hopefully price gives us that sort of reaction. So again, 165.8 area, 164.8, 164.9 area is very key for us. And we just need to wait patiently for price to get to that level, and then we'll see how price reacts. If you're already in this buy trade from here, that's okay as well. You should be looking to take your profit when it gets towards the 164.8 area, and then, or at least move your stops and manage your trade, because there may be some price reaction around that level. So that is what I'll be looking out for in the coming week for Gbpjpy. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't